Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and yeah, I downloaded this image here from a dragon, and I want to mask the shape of the dragon. Okay, and I want to use only Nomad Sculpt. Okay, so let's start. So now here you see this is the shape. Okay, let's start from the beginning. So I delete here everything, or only the plane. So I need a primitive, a plane primitive, and I validate the plane. And now I pick my image. So here. So at the moment, this is my topology, my wireframe. So I need more poly count. So I use multi-resolution linear subdivision, and I subdivide it up to 1,000,000. So that's nice. And now I reproject the whole thing as color from itself. So now my texture is gone and it's pure vertex color. Okay. So the next thing here is, here in the layers menu there's a 3 dots menu, and here you can extract the color, opacity, and so on. And here's a background material checkbox here. So, and here's a color picker. So I pick this and select the background, and yeah, and then I extract the whole thing. So now I got my color here on this layer. Okay, so next thing is I clone the layer. So the first layer I hide, and yeah, and I clone it again. So, and here are the blend modes. So I try to use dark, multiply, yeah, linear burn, and you see here it becomes a black and white shape. So this is nice. So this is what I need. So at the moment I'm fine with this. So I merge it down to this layer. And here in the operations menu, here you can play with a contrast so that the contrast is, yeah, like this. Let's see. Yeah, play. Saturation is 0. Let's play with the U slider. Yeah, but it's almost okay. So you can play a little bit with the sliders, and yeah. Yeah, you can create another layer and play with it and use other blend modes, but it's only about the workflow. So at the moment I'm happy with this. So I use the MISC menu, and I bake here only the color. 1K, I think it's enough, maybe use 2K from itself. So now we got our texture here. So this is what we got. And the next thing is here, I put this image here on the opacity map. So I use the files, and here is my baked image. And this one I don't need anymore. And the next step is I have to reproject here the opacity to a mask. So now the whole thing is masked. And yeah, the mask we can invert, so like this, or at the moment it's okay. And I press here sharpen. And then I extract the mask. So we don't need smoothness, the height is okay. So I said extract. The other mesh I don't need anymore. So, and here the opacity map we don't need anymore, so we can delete it. And now bring back our layer. So this layer we can delete, and the other layer we can make visible. So now we got our cropped out shape of the dragon. And yeah, so yeah, I always have to play. So let's increase the saturation a little bit and exposure, or yeah. Yeah, the people who know what to do with it, are happy now. So we can also use here the smoothing slider to smooth out the edges a little bit. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.